To customize secure folder in Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to open your settings, then navigate down to the security and privacy settings. Then scroll down again to the more security settings, and right here we can enter our secure folder. You might need to enter a password that you created for your secure folder. Then when you're done, you can customize most of the settings. So first is to change the lock type. You can manage which lock screen method is used to unlock your secure folder. Then we have make pattern visible. You can hide it if you like, so nobody will see what exactly you're drawing except your finger running around the screen. There's also auto lock secure folder. You can customize when the secure folder will require password from you. So I have it on each time I leave an app. So if I leave a secure folder, it will ask me each time to unlock it again, and you can pick one of the options, whichever one you like. You can add secure folder to the apps screen if you like. In this case, I prefer it as I can just access it in my app drawer. There's also notifications that you can manage from the secure folder, apps that you can also see, and there's accounts. If you have accounts, different accounts, you can add them and synchronize them with the secure folder. You can restore from backups, more settings, which allows you to uninstall the secure folder, use the Samsung Pass, manage password, passkeys, and autofills in the secure folder apps, manage data usage, and manage which apps are able to be used in full screen. Other security settings allows you to manage them, and there's no point for me describing basically everything. You can see it for your own. Then there's privacy policy and about secure folder information, and that is basically everything.